everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is I bought it because it was on sale. Towards the end of 2017 into 2018, there was a bunch of New Year sales. A lot of stores are doing end of the year clearance, semi-annual sales that happen twice a year, like the Bath & Body Works semi-annual and Victoria's Secret semi-annual sales. And this past weekend was MLK weekend, and a lot of stores like to do fun sales for the long holiday weekend. Before we jump into today's video, make sure you subscribe to my channel below for future content and ring the notification bell because you will get notifications on your phone, computer, email when I post a new video. So let's jump into the video. So the first product I purchased was from Sephora, and it is the Kiehl's Glow Setter set. Towards the end of 2017 into 2018, Sephora did an extra 20% off sale items if you are a VIB insider. Beauty insider. Sorry, I'm VIB Rouge, so I naturally want to say that. This set retails for $74, but it's a $100 value, and I believe I got this set for $56 and then take that extra 20% off. I'm recently started using Kiehl's. I know it's been around since 1851, but it's just never been a brand that I have been drawn into, but this set kind of sucked me in because it's Mickey Mouse, and I am a huge sucker for Disney. So I mainly wanted to get this product because of the Midnight Recovery cleansing oil. I love using cleansing oils at night. You fight oil with oil, and oil cleansers are really good to get the gunk out. As I previously mentioned in my last video, I exfoliate in my night routine and then I follow it immediately with a cleansing oil. So I'm really excited to give this a try. Right now I'm using the Neutrogena Light cleansing oil. They went on clearance a while ago and I literally bought every single bottle because of how good I like that cleanser. So I'm just really excited because this is for all skin types. I have dry, sensitive skin, so I'm really excited to see how this works out. This is 5.9 fluid ounces, so I think it's a really good size bottle for the set and the overall value. The second product in this set is the Daily Reviving Concentrate. I really like using oils as a moisturizer. I use it only at night though, after I do my whole routine. After I put on my moisturizer, I go on top with an oil, and you can really just feel the oil soaking into your pores, your skin, and when you feel your face like a few minutes later, it's just really soft and really smooth and just really rehydrated, and it's ready to go to sleep, I guess. Yeah. Anyway, so I'm really excited to use this oil. I'm using the Sunday Riley UFO Clarifying Oil. I started having really bad skin issues around the holidays. Actually, after our honeymoon into the holidays is when I started having really bad skin issues. That's when things started to cool down. The air became drier. So that's my hypothesis of why I started having skin issues really bad. And now that it's winter, it's even worse. So we'll see how that product works out. This next product is the Clearly Corrective Brightening and Smooth Moisture Treatment. So it's just like a small little moisturizer. I feel like I'll try to use this during the mornings because it doesn't specify for night. But there is a sunburn alert. This contains alpha hydroxy acid. But anyway, that's not a huge concern to me because the last step of my skincare routine in the morning is I always put sunscreen over. So I would apply this to my face and then wait a couple minutes, let that soak in, and then I would put sunscreen on top just to get that extra layer of SPF. Some products have SPF, but normally it's small amounts, but just to be careful and just a QC check, I like to put an extra layer of sunscreen, even if it's cloudy or raining or snowing, whatever is happening. I like to put that extra layer of SPF in just because sun is so damaging to your skin, and I have been so bad with it when I was a kid in my teens, so I'm trying to make up for lost time and just apply sunscreen every single day, no matter what. Even when I don't even leave the apartment, I still put on sunscreen. I don't know why, it's just part of that routine. And then the last product is Soothing Hydration Mask. It's made for all skin types as well. I really enjoy masks. I do 3 masks a week. I do them on Tuesdays, Fridays and Sundays. Tuesdays and Sundays I do a more intense mask. So I'll do like a clay mask, exfoliant mask. So I use a lot of masks from Glam Glow and Lush. But I do some lighter masks such as First Aid Beauty, and now I'm going to try this Kiehl's mask as well just to see what it's like. So I'm really excited because with having dry sensitive skin, I'm always looking for masks to help the troubled areas, my dryness areas, redness, dullness. So those are really important to me when I'm looking for a mask. So surprisingly, that's all that I got from Sephora. The next store was Ulta. Now, I originally had bought 3 products, but I already took one back because it was horrible. I will be mentioning it in a later video, so I'm going to mention these 2 products for the purpose of this video. So the 2 products I purchased were the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. It's a primer and moisturizer into one, but I will still use a moisturizer on top of this because I have dry sensitive skin. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that, but I really like how this primer contains a moisturizer in it just because for me I can never have enough moisture, so I'm not sure how this would work out if you have combination oily skin, but I feel like I would probably use 2 primers. I would not use this on my forehead or my T-zone because I do get oily there, but I would use this mainly for my cheeks. As I mentioned before, I have dry patches all along my cheeks, so it's just really hard for makeup to stay and adhere well without looking cakey or patchy. So I'm really excited to give this primer a shot. The second product, which was actually a gift that came with the order as long as you place an order, I believe it was for Platinum members only, like it was one of those Ulta Platinum perks. It's a Julep Cushion Complexion Skin Perfector. Now, I haven't tried anything from Julep before, so I'm not entirely sure how this is going to work. It looks kind of like, it has like this weird cushiony applicator. So for me, when I think of for concealer, like under eyes, or you know, just touching up maybe this pimple right here, or just brightening up my T-zone or trouble areas. So I'm not really sure what to think of this. I haven't really been exposed to the brand Julep before. I know they do nail polish. I did not realize that they made other products as well, so I'm really excited to give it a try. Right now it's really hard to beat out the Tarte Shape Tape, so we'll see. You know, I'm not opposed to trying, and I am excited to try Julep and their products aside from nail polish. The third, I need to show you the bag, and that's why I'm sighing. Victoria's Secret once again got me, like it does every year, every semi-annual. I always tell myself you're not gonna buy something, and I end up doing it because it's on sale and you need it. You don't. I found a holy grail bra, if that's a thing, and it is the Cool and Comfy wireless bras. These things are comfy. At first, I thought that they weren't doing enough, and then I realized they're doing the right amount. What I like about it is that there's no wires. I hate bras with wires because you'll just be chilling or at work or you're running, doing errands. Anyway, and all of a sudden a wire just pops out of nowhere.
Oh, look at that. I've been impaled.
It hurts. Anyway, that's what I like about these, and the bands are really thick, so it's not really like constricting around your bust, and like I said, no wires. They are padded, but they're not like push-up-y, really padded. It's a good in-between a lightly lined and a push-up bra, in my opinion. They do not come in like the traditional 32, 34 ABC size. They come in extra small, small, medium, and large. And after reading the sizing chart, for me, I'm a 36C, so they recommended going to a size large. I already own a few of these, and I love them. It feels like I'm not really wearing a bra, which is what I like, just because of how comfy it is, and like I said, no wire. So I picked up the blue stripes, the purple stripes, and I picked up the red stripes. These were on sale for $19.99 each, and they retail for $36.95. So it's a pretty good deal. You almost get them for half off. And on top of this, I also used a $45 Victoria's Secret reward because I am an Angel card holder. So I'm just standing in line, and when I get to the beauty section, because it's right near the cashiers, I caved. I caved hard. I got the Exotic Kiss lotion, and I also got the Exotic Kiss body spray. I was running low on lotion at work on my desk, so I figured why not? Why not? Because they were like $3. And then I also got the scents Endless Love in the spray, and I got Endless Love in the lotion as well. So just another extra like hydration or whatever I might need for work, or I like to keep these in the car as well. I have been guilty of leaving the apartment without applying any spray or deodorant, so if I keep one in the car, at least I can mask my smell. But luckily I take showers in the morning, so hopefully that helps as well. There's something really exciting about the last bag. But before I jump into the last bag, I went to go return. And I walk out with a bag. How does that happen? Well, Torrid had 70% off clearance, which you're just like, oh my gosh, no way, 70% off, who does that? Well, Torrid apparently does. It's their version of semi-annual, and they do it in the summertime and the wintertime. Overall, I spent $10 on 4 items, which was really cool. So the first thing that got me was this Nightmare Before Christmas makeup bag. Torrid has some of the cutest makeup bags. I own quite a few of these. They do a lot of Disney ones. This is the Nightmare Before Christmas one. I also have the Star Wars one, a Little Mermaid one, Disney Princess one. I think I have another one. But that's just how many that I have. So I really like them. They hold a lot of makeup. I also put some skincare in them. And then I also got another makeup bag, was this Disney Princess one. I really like the print, and I really like the princesses that they featured. I just thought it was a really cool design, and it was just calling my name. You know, Moana, it calls me. It called me. And I also picked up 2 sets of earrings, because these earrings rang up for maybe $3. It was just one of these sets that have like a bunch of different earrings. I always wear cheap earrings because I have a lot that fall out during my sleep. Some will just fall out from me walking. I don't know. So I don't like to invest really much money into earrings because I do know that they will fall, they will break, I'll lose a back. So I was like, why not? It's cute. And then I also got a second one as well. I just really like the patterns on them. I thought they were cute. Just like everyday patterns. As you can tell, I just have some in my ear, so I just like the skulls and the roses. I usually have the roses or bows or pearls, diamond studs, so it was just something fun. Like I said, I went to go return a bunch of things and I ended up walking out. But it only cost me it only cost me $10, but it was just really cute, fun stuff. Now, the reason why this last bag is so special, it's a store that I shop at quite often, but there is something cool about this Aerie. It's not the Aerie that I go to on a regular basis, and they have been remodeling for a while. And it was funny because when I was like wandering, I'm like, I know they put a temporary site. Where is it? So I go look at the directory and it's pointing me in the old location, and I'm just like, I didn't realize it had opened back up. And holy crap, it is awesome. They did a really good job remodeling. The store is bigger, they offer more clothes, they have just a lot more styles. Like, it looks like an online store, but you're going in store just because of how many options that they had. And they also offer free personalization. Oh my gosh, I am so excited. Now, disclaimer, if you get something personalized, you cannot return it just because not everyone's gonna want this personalization print that you chose. When you are checking out, make sure it fits and make sure you're not going to return it because they will not issue a refund for it. So you check out and then you go wait in line, and they have like this really awesome printer that you put your shirt in, and then you choose whatever logo that you want. They had like a couple hundred to choose from. They had like a lot of seasonal ones at the time, so I'm not sure what they're offering now. This was one of like their generic prints. It's the me, myself, and me. And it just made me laugh because that is so me. So I'm just really excited, and I did not really know what kind of prints to put on this color. They have some prints that have color in them. I was just a little skeptical of putting color onto this color, so I just went with something pretty generic. I got another one of these crew necks. It just made me laugh. Don't touch. And I just thought this beautiful sage green worked well with the print. So I'm just really excited that Aerie is offering this. Only a handful of Aerie stores offer this. Like, my mind was blown away when I walked. I mean, when you first walk in it, that's the first thing you see. So you choose your design, they set it through the printer, and then they put it on the heat press for 30 seconds, and then you're good to go. They did say that there is a little discoloration, but that's just because from the heat press, and after you wash it, it will go away. So since I saved these for this video, I have not watched it yet, so it will go away by the next time. It's just really cool, and that's just an awesome thing that Aerie is offering. All the employees had a crew neck or just one of their shirts or tanks, and they each had one of like the personalization things, and it was just so cute. And Aerie offers a lot of solid clothing, so it's just really awesome to have like the free personalization just to change it up a little bit. So kudos to Aerie for that, because that's really awesome. Now, I did ask them, can I bring something previously purchased from a different Aerie, and they told me no, because I had washed some of it, and if you wash something and then you try to put something like a vinyl or ink on top of it, it might not work as well just because it has been washed. It could have shrunk, or the fabric, like the ink or the vinyl, might not adhere as it should, so it could ultimately ruin your shirt. They can even do leggings, like and I was just kind of like, whoa, but I didn't get any of those. But they just don't want to risk it because they cannot replace it. So that was just their policy. But I did recently purchase something with a reward from the South Point Aerie, and I still have the tags on, so I am going to try to go to Crabtree and see if they can put one of these prints on it. So if they can do that, I will update you guys. And then the last products I bought were some Aerie leggings. I really like the Aerie Chill leggings a lot. They are just very comfortable. You cannot see your underwear through, and I've worn some crazy print underwear and it does not show through. The only things that will show through are, you will see like panty outlines, so just be careful and mindful of that. If you are wearing something that might allow to show that, just be careful, or just make sure you're wearing a big hoodie or crew neck like I am now. I got my maroon ones on, so just be mindful. I'm trying to find another Holy Grail leggings because Costco is discontinuing my Maddie M. Who can say where the road goes? Those are my all-time favorite. So I wanted to give the Aerie ones a chance because I'm a frequent shopper at Aerie. My husband and I get benefit out of American Eagle. It's just a clothing store that we both enjoy and I love, and they have really good quality clothes. That concludes this I bought it because it was on sale haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what products you enjoyed, or if you bought anything during the after Christmas into the New Year MLK weekend sales. I'd love to hear what you got. Let me know if you recommend any products from any of the stores mentioned: Sephora, Ulta, Victoria's Secret, Torrid, or Aerie. And yeah, thank you again for your love and support and taking the time to watch this video. I hope you enjoyed, and stay tuned for the next video. Make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up.